This is going to be my last video for now in this one round crochet series, and it's going to be this really cute little bow tie. If you want to learn how to make any of these other patterns, they're all going to be in a playlist that I'm going to link at the end. And if you have any more ideas of little patterns that you want me to make, or ideas of series like this one, just say it in the comments and I'm going to see what I can do. But first, we're going to make this little cute bow tie. To make this pattern, we're going to start with a magic ring. And we're going to basically repeat the pattern 2 times to make 2 of the little bow tie bumps. So to do this, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do 3 triple crochets. So for a triple crochet, you wrap the round around your hook 2 times. So we do that. 1, 2, that makes 3 triple crochets. After that, we chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and we make a slip stitch in our magic ring, and that's already the first half of the bow tie. So we're just going to repeat that another time. So we do 3 chains, so 1, 2, 3, and we do 3 triple crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, and we end with 3 chains. That's 3, and a slip stitch in our magic ring. So what we actually want to do, we want to keep a long tail, because we were going to wrap this tail around the base to make the bow tie. So I kept about, I think maybe like 10" or 25 centimeters. That's actually too long, you don't need this much, but I like to have more because then I also have a little tail to eventually attach it to whatever I want to attach it to. So we end here, and then we close our magic ring. So you can already see our bow tie has kind of the right shape, but it doesn't have that base from the bow tie look yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this short end. I'm going to cut it a little bit shorter, and I'm going to wrap this around the bow tie. You can just do however many reps you like. If you do more reps, this little base is going to be bigger. If you do less reps, it's going to be smaller. You can do whatever you prefer. I think for me this is about how many I want. Yeah, that looks cute. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach this here. So I'm just going to make a little knot with the other end that I had. Which gives us this cute little bow tie. You can either use these ends to attach it to whatever you want to attach it to, or if you don't want to see them, you can just get your hook and kind of make them disappear under your bow tie, under the wrappings of your bow tie, and cut them off. So in the end, you have this cute little bow tie. So you can kind of tuck here if you want the base, if you want these parts to be a little bit bigger, but this is what it looks like. You can even, if you want, do a two-colored bow tie, which happens if you use one color yarn for the base and another color to wrap it around. So that's your bow tie. This is the last in my series of 1 round crochet. For now, maybe I think of some great new ideas that I want to make, but for now all 12 of these patterns can be found on my YouTube channel and on my blog. So here is a playlist with all of these patterns, and if you like these kind of patterns, you can subscribe so you can see anything I make.